What's up, Joke Tailors, and today we're going to be playing the fidget spinner thing. And right now, I am fidgetspinner.io, and right now I'm literally consuming the whole map. Like, literally. I'm consuming the whole map. I'm the biggest in the map. I'm the top one right now. So there's two of me right now. See? Wreck-It Alien. And the other guy. Oh, he's pretty fast now. These two blue ones are me. Oh my. The one on the left is spinning more. Okay. I'm gonna try and get into the wall I'm just killing everyone. I keep killing everyone. I'm just running into them and then they're dying. Bum, 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 bum. I'm huge. I'm gonna get you. I wish I could get. I'm trying to find a wall. Oh, there. Finally, I can. Super fast. Yeah. Oh, shoot. I made it to the wall. Now I'm gonna try and get busy. I'm gonna try and get my normal size. Dun, dun, oh, there. Oh my god, I didn't notice I was that big. Dun. Didn't notice I was that big. The real. He's pretty big. Oh, there, I killed him. Okay. I'm at 6,563. That's how big I am right now. And I'm literally, let me go. Whoa, like, there's these things that you run into and then you get faster. I saw a big guy right now. Let me just do that really quick. Lame rage. Boom, I killed him. Boom, it's getting kind of fun. This game is very addicting. You should check it. You should check it out. It's spinningsimulator.io. I mean, fidget spinning simulator.io. I mean, fidgetspinner.io. Yeah, it's fidgetspinner.io. And go. That guy was kind of big, I guess. I don't know. Okay. From the Star Wars. Okay, dokie. Go. I'm trying to. Oh, there. Oh, I didn't notice I'm at 7,000. You guys can see my name on the top. It's in gold on the top right corner. You see it? It says Wreck-It Alien. I just put that username for no reason. Oh, wow. Boom. Oh, that guy's pretty big. I'm gonna eat him. Go. What the heck? Oh, he's right there. Ooh, double shot. Triple deco kill. Double shot. People are just running into me. I'm playing online, by the way. I'm not playing with this computer. These people are so... The second most biggest is 939. I'm 7,818. Ooh, that guy's pretty good. I'm gonna go get him. The third best is Murder She Wrote. And he's not that big, he's only 200 something. 261. Is that an emoji or a cookie? That's an emoji. Oh my god. I'm at 8,000. Oh, it's because I split, so it says it says I'm 4,064, but together I'm 8,000 something. I wanna just fuse. Those tips just need to touch. Just touch. They're almost touching. Oh my god. If I don't get, I need to fuse again, or I can't split anymore. So. Oh, finally. I'm just gonna keep going down like this. Yeah, that's easier. That's much easier. Go down a little bit. A little bit. Just a little bit. Just there. Oh my god, I'm 8. That fidget spinner is pretty cool. Okay. I don't know why I went silent. I was just reading all the names. Someone's name is Gun Down. Boom! Oh, I killed a lot of people right there. Did you hear it? I'm almost at 10,000. Wow, that gave me a lot. Please, I'm almost at 10,000. Yes. I'm at 9,000. Okay. Soon I'm gonna restart. Okay. Soon I'm gonna restart. Cause this is getting kind of boring. How do I even restart? Goodbye. I'm restarting. Dang it. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Okay, let me try. Let me change my fidget spinner. Should I get this one? Ooh, this is cool. I'll get it. I'll get this. Select. Play online. No. Oh, I'm small. Let's watch me. Why did I restart? Do you think I'm gonna get as big as I got again? Let's see if I can. See if I can get as big as I was. These people are trapping me. Oh my god, my fidget spinner's fast. I'm already getting really fast. This is so easy. Boom, I killed you. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my god, that guy is not big enough. I'm not big enough, I'm not big enough. I'm not big enough, I'm not big enough. Okay, I guess that's it for today, guys. Goodbye.